Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the Samsung Galaxy S26 and the biggest rumors about this phone. Remember, nothing is confirmed yet. These are just leaks from people who follow Samsung closely. Many people say the Galaxy S26 may come with a new design. It could have super thin bezels, sharp edges, and maybe even a strong titanium frame. Some leaks also say the Ultra models may have the screen that curves into the sides, so the phone looks like it is made fully of glass. The camera are also big topic. S26 Ultra might get a huge 1-inch camera sensor that is very big for a phone, and it means better night photos, sharper details, and nicer background blur. There is also talk about a new 200 megapixel sensor, stronger zoom that can go more than 10 times, and even a new AI night video mode that makes dark videos look much clearer. For performance, the S26 may most likely run on a new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. But in some countries, Samsung may still use their own Exynos Snapdragon to be faster and smarter with AI. So the phone can do things like AI photos editing, instant translation, and smart battery saving right on the device. The display may also be amazing. Rumors say the S26 could have the world's first 4000 nit AMOLED screen, which mean it will be super bright and easy to see even in strong sunlight. This refresh rate might go from 1 Hz all the way to 144 Hz. So it saves power when you're just reading and gives super smooth graphics when you're gaming. Battery is another area Samsung may improve. Some reports say the S26 Ultra could come with a new stacked battery display, which allows more power in the same small spaces. It may have a 5500 mAh battery and faster charging up to 65 watts. That's not the fastest in the market, but still a big step up for Samsung. On the software side, which will launch with One UI 7 on top of Android 16, the main highlight will be AI features. Samsung may add AI wallpapers, live translations during calls, quick AI text replies, and even voice cloning so the phone can answer in your own voice. It looks like Samsung wants the S26 to be more like an AI device than just a normal smartphone. Now the big question is when and how much. If Samsung follows the same timeline, the Samsung S26 series should launch around February 2027. The price may go a little higher, with the Ultra model starting around $1,399. Yes, that's expensive, but with all these upgrades, Samsung clearly wants to be on top Android phone in the world. So guys, these are the biggest rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S26. A new design, better cameras, brighter screen, bigger battery, faster charging, and lots of AI. Which rumor excites you the most? And do you think Samsung will really do all this? Or is it just a hype? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech news. Thanks for watching.